Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Last episode, we painted this entire Toyota Tacoma. It came out beautifully. I'm really happy with how it came out. Today what we're going to do is we're going to wet sand and buff this entire vehicle. We're going to put everything back together, the trim, the door handles. We're going to put the bed on and get it ready to deliver to the customer. I just want to let everybody know that I appreciate each and every one of you watching. If you haven't liked and subscribed, please like and subscribe and hit that bell notification for new videos coming. So let's get started and get this thing ready to go. Hey guys, welcome back to DIY Autobody. We're continuing on this Toyota Tacoma build today. It's coming along nicely. What we've done is I'm starting to put together all the trim pieces, the wheel opening moldings, the Nerf bars. I put those on. I put the brush guard on. Let me show you what we got here. We painted the bottom bumper even though it was kind of tore up. We painted it. Same with the fender flares and the Nerf bars, the mirrors, replaced the door handles. I've got the whole cab together now. So this is pretty much complete, except for I need to finish putting the fender flares on, all the bolts. We're going to put some new mud flaps on it. And then we got to do just a little bit of a cleanup on the cab. A couple of little areas that I want to buff, do the windows, and put this fender flare on, clean the tires. So we got just basically some cleanup and put a few things back together, but the paint came out real nice. I'm real happy with it. It's going to look really amazing when it's all done. The interior still is going to need some work, but we're not doing that. That's on the owner. He's going to take care of that. Here's the bedside. Got to put the taillights in, put all this together, and I'm gonna clean this edge up a little bit here, do a little bit of black paint right there, just to clean it up and get it to look decent. These flares turned out pretty good. Okay, I mean they were pretty beat up, but we got to put the tailgate all back together and put it on. So not too much left, but we're gonna do that today. We're still waiting on the frame bolts, frame to bed bolts, because those had to be cut. So we're going to be replacing these 6 bolts. So that's going to do it for today's video. I appreciate each and every one of you watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't. Click that bell for notifications for the next upcoming video where we're going to install the bed and finish this project up and get it delivered. So you'll get to see the end